हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक। आज हम ख़त्म करने वाले हैं ओवर द वायर बैंडिट और आई गेस 17th लेवल तक हमारा हो चुका है। नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम देयर। लेट मी क्विकली open the folder in which we are keeping the notes. Markdown extended. Okay. Okay, so we are already at level 17. 18 करना है अपने को। 17 का पासवर्ड ये है। So copy this and spin up my Ubuntu। तब तक ओवर द वायर में चले जाते हैं। Says there are two files in the home directory, passwords.old and passwords.new. Password for the next level is in passwords.new and is the only line that has been changed between the files. So we'll use a diff. If you have solved this level and see bye bye when trying to log in into the next level, this is related to next level Bandit 19. Okay. So I have that SSH command with me. Awesome. So we are Bandit 17 and the password is this. Okay, I'm Bandit 17. Cool. And we can see we have two files, passwords.new and passwords.old. एक बार जल्दी से चेक कर लेता हूँ लाइव कैसे जा रहा है। Okay, all seems good. Good to go. So two files, password.new and password.old, and the only line which is different in these two is our password. So it's straightforward. Diff passwords.new and passwords.old. So like this means this line was in the previous file and this is the new file replacing this line in new file. So that happens to be your password. I'll exit from this and I'll quickly make notes of it. Let me see. and these two are the file names. So I did difference between the two files, passwords.new and passwords.old. This gave me the new password. Okay, and that password is for Bandit 18 and the password is maybe yes. Now I will move on to level 18 to 19. Okay, let us quickly connect to Bandit 18. Permission denied. Is that not the password? Okay, the password is this line. Am I logged in? No, it says bye bye, connection to Bandit Labs is closed. Okay, that was expected because we see it is for the next level. Let's go to the next level. Password of the next level is stored in a file readme in the home directory. Unfortunately, someone has modified bash rc to log you out when doing with SSH. Okay, like bash rc is the file which executes every time bash executes. Every time we get a shell, that is the first file to get executed. Okay, it can contain aliases or like some things which you want to set up for your environment. We can customize it, and someone customized it to log out. Okay, so we can execute commands with SSH. Okay, we can do SSH to that user and then we can give a command in single quotes as well as in double quotes. Okay, so and I'll do cat home.bash rc. I just hope I have the password. Okay, so here is the bash rc file for this user, and we can see it echoes bye bye and then exit 0. It closes the terminal. If I type exit 0 right now on my terminal, I'll exit from the terminal will close. Okay, this line is creating problem. So what can we do? Where is the password? The password in a readme in the home directory. Okay, so let's just cat that, clear the screen, and I'll do cat home readme. Password for 18, and yes, this is the password. The bash rc is customized to exit on SSH for user 18. but we just need the password for user 19. So we'll execute command rather than getting a persistent shell. So I did I did SSH into this and executed this. To get the password for Bandit 19 stored in home readme of Bandit 18. Bash RC is very important file. And got the password for Bandit 19, and the password is this string right here. I move on to next level, 19 to 20. And let me quickly SSH into Bandit 19. And I'm in. Awesome. To gain access to next level, you should use the setuid binary in the home directory. Okay, so here we see the S bit. That means this is the setuid binary. It is owned by Bandit 20, and Bandit 9 can execute this maybe. Yes. X. We can read, we can't write, but we can execute this. Okay, like the case with setuid binaries is such that when you are executing this binary, in context of this binary you will be Bandit 20, although here if you see you are Bandit 19. If I do who am I, sorry, I'm Bandit 19, and what was the command to see everything like? Okay. We are hiding. So here I am user this, group ID is this, and groups are this. But whenever we will execute a binary which can do setuid, we will have our effective user ID. So in addition to this, there will be a field EID, and in that we are expected to get Bandit 20. So since it is executable, I'll directly go ahead and run a command as another user. So let's follow the example and see. Here we get effective user ID is Bandit 20. So the commands which I'm executing are as bandit 20. So can I do cat for @c bandit underscore pass slash bandit 20? Yes, I can. Okay. So that's it. I got the password. There is a set UID binary giving the effective user ID as bandit 20, so we can execute in this binary, we can execute commands as bandit 20. So I checked the password, and how did I do that is just this. This gave me the password for bandit 20, and the password is this. Now move on to level 20 to 21. Let me log in as bandit 20. See, if I do exit 0, I'll log out from the shell. Anyways, okay, I'm bandit 20 now. Awesome. Let us see the instructions for next level. There is set UID binary in the home directory that does the following. Okay, it makes a connection to localhost on the port you specify as a command line argument. Okay, then it reads a line of text from the connection and compares it to the password in bandit 20. Okay, so we are supposed to give the password of our current level, that means bandit 20. If the password is correct, it will give back the password for the next level. Try connecting to your own network daemon to see if it works as you think. So is there some port listening to which I can netcat? Let me see. Port 22, okay, it's open. Ident X11 NDMPS cargo services. Okay, we have some unknown ports. So can I netcat to them and give the password? Let's try this. Netcat to localhost. It was the netcat format. There's no colon for port, so yeah. 31046. Okay, it is echoing back. Let me give it the password of current user. It is just echoing back. Drag and export 31518. Mhm. But it says the port which I specify. Can I split the terminal? So how can I do this? And create vertical version to return a server. This version will open pen below the focus pen using direct splits. Up, right, down, or left gives more options for greater than focus pen perspective to create new vertical pen of default. Alt Shift Plus. Okay. So Alt Shift is awesome. I need. Oh shit. I need in my Ubuntu books here. Just give me a second. So I'll SSH into the same Bandit 20 using this password. Okay, so now I'm connected to Bandit 20 on both the terminals. Let me do port 3434 listening, and let me connect to this port localhost. Okay, I'm connected to this, and now I'll give the password. What else can we do? Okay. There's a set UID binary also involved. SU connect. Okay, let me do SU connect, and then it needs a port number. Okay, so I'll do listen to port 3434. I'll give it SU connect 3434. Okay, now if I paste the password, Password matches, sending next password. Okay, here we go. Here is the next password. Okay. There's again set UID binary, which can connect to a local port, check for the supplied value, and if it matches with Bandit 20's password, then it will return Bandit 21's password. Okay, so in one terminal, so I connected to Bandit 20 in two terminals, and in one terminal I did start netcat listener, and in other terminal we launched the binary with port number 3434, then supplied the password of Bandit 20 and got the password for Bandit 21, and the password is this string right here. The 21 to 22. Okay, I'm Bandit 21, and I might wish to close this, maybe not. Let us leave this to Bandit 20. Read the instructions for next level. Program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron. The time-based job scheduler. Yes. Look into etc cron d for configuration and see what command is being executed. Okay. So maybe I don't need this. Okay, so we have got many jobs, but right now I'm Bandit 20, sorry, Bandit 21, so I'm interested in this cron job of Bandit 22. Can I get this? Okay, so on reboot as Bandit 22, we can execute, like the system executes this script and the output is sent to dev null. That means nothing is shown on the screen. And then okay, this format is about the schedule of cron jobs. So like every minute of every hour of every day of every weekday or something like that. Anyways, this thing is executing every minute. Okay, and it is executing as bandit 22, and this script is getting executed. So let us see what it does is shebang win bash. So it is bash script. It is changing the mode to 644. That means self readable, self, I don't know, execution is there, I don't know. 44 means there is some restriction for the others. In temp this file is getting created, and then cat password of bandit 22 to this file, and it is a single indirection. That means everything which is already in the file gets erased and this gets written. So yeah, simple. We can go and see if we can get this file. Easy. So this is the password for bandit 22. There's a cron job by user bandit 22, which saves the password of bandit 22 to a file, and that file is this. On doing a cat, we can get the password, and the password for bandit 22 turns out to be this string. Now we move on to level 22 to 23. I have an intuition like there are more jobs, so something has to be here. Anyways, we'll exit this SSH. Now we will SSH as bandit 22 with this string as password. Okay, and as bandit 22, let us read the instructions. Program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron. The time-based job schedule, look in this for configuration, see what the command is being executed. Okay. Looking at shell scripts written by other people is a very useful skill. A script for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you are having problems understanding what it does, try executing it and see the debug information it prints. Okay. I don't really need that, so I'll just let's see cron d, and I'm bandit 22, so I'm interested in this file, which is cron job for bandit 23. Bandit 23. Okay, on reboot, bandit 23 executes this, then every minute of every day bandit 23 executes this. So let me see, what is that? Okay, shebang, my name is this, my target is echo, I am user, my name, then we do md5 sum and cut delimiter with a space and the first part of it. Okay, so if I do echo and my name, let us say my name, and I do md5 sum of it, it gives me two fields. First is this and then this. If here was a file, there will be a file name. We are doing a cut dash d, delimiter is a space, so after every space it will cut, it will create tokens, and we want the first field, that means this md5. Okay, so right here this thing will give us the md5 for bandit 23. So I'll quickly do that. So this is something which is coming inside. Okay, let me do this complete thing because there is extra shit also there. Instead of my name, I have Bandit 23. Okay, so this thing, copying password file. Etc bandit password of 23 is stored to a file whose name is this. Okay, so I just have to cat temp and then this. Easy. Uh, there's also a cron job which creates a file in tmp as the previous level. Same thing. Name of this file is md5 of string, and the string is I guess this I am user, and then bandit 23. So we just cat that file and get the password. Okay, I'll write this also. So we just cat and get the password. I think this shall be in code. Which is so we'll get the password for bandit 23 and the password is this string. Now I move on to level 23 to 24. Bandit 23 is the password. I'm bandit 23. Okay, I'll clear the screen and let us see the instructions for next level. Program is running automatically at regular intervals from cron. Time-based scheduler. Look in etc con d. The configuration, see what command is being executed. Okay. So it requires you to create your own first shell script. This is a very big step and you should be proud of yourself when you beat this level. Keep in mind that your shell script is removed once executed. You want okay. That means the cron job is removing the shell script as well. Okay. Okay. So I'll do etc cron d and I am interested in cron job of 24. Yes, I'm already bandit 23. So I'll do cron job of bandit 24. It executes every minute and what it does. Okay, we have shebang. My name is this. Change directory to var spool bandit 24. Executing and deleting all scripts in var spool this. For I in asterisk dot asterisk, that means all files in this directory. Okay. If that file is not current directory and it is not the previous directory, then echo handling this owner assign stat format %u. Okay, if the owner is bandit 23, which is me right now, then timeout 60 seconds and dot slash we are executing this file and then removing. Is this what it is doing? Okay, I'll go to temp. I just want to understand what is this thing doing. Control L. Okay, I didn't clear the screen. I pressed Control L, so it shifted the terminal up. That's it. And now I'll do a nano if I can. I just want to see the output of this command stat dashboard because I don't know what this does. So let's save it. Lol.sh, yes. Or I might just do change mode to executable of lol.sh and just execute. Let me just create some files here. Or maybe echo nothing to hi.txt and the same thing to by.txt and now execute message. So first it handled by.txt and then it said owner is me, handling node.sh. So let me just do. So we had all of these files from top to bottom. The original script, the script is not doing anything with the first two, that is current directory and previous directory, but it is dealing with all these files, figuring out who is the owner. If the owner is bandit 23, then we are doing this. Let me see what is timeout. Run a command with time limit. Okay. Anyways, the thing is, it is executing this file. That is of the highest concern for me right now. If it can execute that file, and this thing is happening in var spool bandit 24, it is executing that. Okay, fine. Var spool bandit 24, obviously. Can I write to this? And what it, okay, I need to make it fast, so why don't I just copy, let's see, bandit underscore pass, which user's password do I need? 24, bandit 24 to temp lol bandit 24 pass.txt. Is going to write. Okay, I need to change the permissions for my directory also. Okay. Save the file under different name. No. lol.sh. Yes. Okay, I was able to write it. And what is the time? It's going to execute in 20 seconds. So let me see if I can change mode to 777 lol. Okay, I did not get. Did the script execute? Okay, the script got executed and got deleted, but I have not received anything in lol. Directory permissions. Yeah, 777 will mean like all rights to everybody. Yeah, that's what I did. RWX. Okay, let me create a file. Pass wd.txt and change mode everything to everybody. Hey, was I able to create a password file here? Anyways, let me go to log. have to change permissions also. Need to edit this file. Nano, yes. Shebang. And I wanted to echo do a cat on Etsy bandit underscore pass slash bandit 24 to temp lol pass wd.txt. That's it. Save modified buffer. Yes. Yes. Okay. 9 seconds. And we got nothing in past wd.txt. Still an empty file. And the file got removed as well. What is that I'm missing? Bash, and let me just do cat of Etsy bandit underscore pass bandit 24 and to temp lol pass wd.txt, and this time I'm copying it all. And change mode to executable for lol.sh. Okay, we have 30 seconds. Let me see everything in tmp all. Ten seconds. Yes, we got some data. See, previously there was no data in password.txt. Now we got 33 bytes. So cat slash password.txt. Awesome. So this is going to be the password for next level. There's a cron job which does something with all the files in /var /spool /bandit 24. So I placed a script to copy what was I copying? Etsy bandit password. Etsy bandit pass /bandit 24 values these, which is a directory I created. In the bash I kept this code. Awesome. Now I don't have the enemies. In bash, and I did cat let's see is from home bandit underscore pass bandit 24, and I saved it to temp lol password.txt. This gave the password, and that password is for bandit 24. This is the password. We are advancing to level 24 to 25. Yes, exit bandit 24 and this password because I'm bandit 24 now. A daemon is listening on port 30,002 and will give you the password 25 if given the password for bandit 24 and a secret numeric 4-digit pin code. There's no way to retrieve the pin code except by going through all of the 10,000 combinations called brute force. Okay, indirectly they are asking us to write a script to go through these, which will have the password for bandit 24 and a secret numeric 4-digit pin code. So now I'm thinking that secret 4-digit pin code is supposed to be concatenated after the password or before. So first let us connect and see how is this behaving. So I'll do netcat to localhost at 30,002. I'm the pin code checker for user bandit 25. Please enter the password for user 24 and secret pin code on a single line separated by a space. Okay. Anyways, I'm not even going to try giving it one value. We'll just write a script. Four digits 1 2 3 4 9 9 9 9. Okay, so I'll go to temp. 24. No, don't tell me that the password is already there. Okay, this is wrong. I have Bandit 26's keys. Maybe I'm not supposed to look down this. Can a new file exist? Why? lol2, and in this one I'm going to write a script to connect to that using pin code and password. So I'll do nano connect.sh and it will be shebang bin bash password is I'll not even create a variable for this. I'll hard code this. For pin, how do you do a for loop in bash? One dot dot something is there in 0 to this number. For pin and starting from which value? Starting from all zeros. I just want to check if it is working fine. Let's connect.sh. Is it even printing the zeros? That is my concern, because if numbers are being treated as numbers, then there is problem. Okay, it is giving us all the numbers. Cool. Now I just have to modify this a little bit so that it connects every time. Do what? Do a netcat to localhost at port 30,002, and before that do an echo of the password for the previous level. Space dollar pin and pipe that output to this. I hope it's fine. Yes. Okay, do I have to press Control C every time? What is connect.sh? Like I need to do, if the connection is failing, then exit. How can I do that? So this program is not killing itself on every wrong input. It stays there until we stop giving it the okay. Okay, and let us just do some changes and connect to sh. Yes. Localhost at 30,002. Localhost 30,002. I did a netcat and then I just keep on echoing these values. Maybe. Did not supply enough data. Okay. Okay. First that was executing, then this thing got executed. Okay. My bad. I need to go nano connect to sh. Okay. Bash to give input to a program. You can feed input into a program from bash using any of the following. For single line input, you can use a here string. So here string will be, we'll execute the program and we will give something like this. Okay. Multiple line, you can use here document until UF. Okay. Or you can move those lines out of the script into a separate file and then feed cat file name, and then that will be given to this. So I can print a value, then pipe it to the executable, and if that does not work, I need to kill the executable, right? This thing. Let me do a very naive thing. Just do one. I'll just connect.sh and save all the passwords to possibilities. Alright. So word count of lines possibilities, and I have 10,000 possibilities. Now I'll do cat possibilities.txt and pipe it to netcat localhost 30,002. Awesome. Okay, just in case if you want to see at which value it is working, I don't know, but I got something here. Just this. Okay. We need to provide Bandit 24's password and a 4-digit number to port 30,002 to get the next password. So I created all combinations and saved them to a file, and then fed that file to netcat localhost at 30,002. I got the password, and the password is for Bandit 25. The password is so except from this Bandit 25. Awesome, I'm Bandit 25 now. We can move on to next level. What are the instructions for us for the next level? 25, 26. Yes. Login to Bandit 26 should be fairly easy. From Bandit 25, yeah. The shell for user Bandit 26 is not WinBash but something else. Find out what it is and how it works and how to break out of it. Which user am I right now? I am Bandit 25. Login to Bandit 26 from 25 should be fairly easy. Okay. Shell for 26 is not WinBash or something else. Find out what it is. What do we have? We have Bandit 26 SSH keys. We have .pin file. Okay. 2588. Okay, this was the pin for the previous challenge, I guess. Okay. Anyways, we have Bandit 24 password. Okay. Why is it here? I don't know. But we have SSH keys for Bandit 26 with switch mode, that is RWX, so that is 400 maybe. It's already in the correct format. We have SSH-I Bandit 26 key, Bandit 26 at localhost 4220. Connecting to host localhost port 4220, connection refused. Okay, we got Bandit 26, but we are logged out immediately. So can I do which? Cat basharson. Okay, let me do one thing. Can I do anything here as Bandit 25? Can I cat the dot bash rc? Yes. So it shall do the run. Check the dot profile maybe. Bash profile or bash profile exist. None of them exist, so dot profile will be red. If running bash, then okay, include bash rc. It is running bash rc, right? SSH profile bash logo maybe. When leaving the console, color the screen to increase privacy. If this variable is 1, then put silently. Okay. What does this do? Bandit 27 do? Okay, we have the SSH keys for Bandit 26. What is the instruction? Log on to Bandit 26 from Bash will be fairly easy. Shell for user Bandit 26 is not bin bash. Bin SSH cat more vim list id password present working directory. Okay. But something else. Find out the shell. Okay. How it works and how to break out of it. Types of Linux shells other than bash. So we have CSH, KSH, ZSH. Bound shell, okay, SH can be there. No bound shell can be there. C shell, shell. Okay. Connect that. that is fine. Bandit 26 at closed. Execute commands with SSH. It was just verified. Bird shell in the box with a bone shell, corn shell, sheep shell, tea shell, eco, dollar shell is not reliable. What else can be done? The following command should work. Okay, dollar shell. Let me do that with our near and dear machine. We are not able to execute anything. Non-host format. Okay, there's a lot of data to be added, and I have no clue how to get that data. See, that there is some base 64 strings, but here to add the host list of non-hosts. Why? Forces us to use a specific shell. Okay. This is at least an open SSH-based systems if you have the ability to get session SFTP. A shell script file then executed with the method if posted it will be skipping it, but you file behind that. So SSH root at my dash T bash dash T sh. Okay, let's try dash T with sh. Yes. Nops. Bash, it does not use bash, so total waste of time. What were the other options with us? C shell doesn't work. Cron shell. CSH. Okay, let's try this possibility also. Instead of dash t, if I can execute command, then I'll do a slash bin slash sh. Yes. Or csh. No idea. Then ksh. Oops. Did I write cksh? CSH. None of this shell is working. So dash t did not work, and someone gave me forced command ssh. Execution on login even without shell. Let's do that. Get a restricted user without any shell for port forwarding only, and I need to execute a script on login via pubkey. If the user is connected via SSH, okay, which doesn't do SSH, okay. One admin on connection, this setting, okay. This command, SSH authorized keys. Without a PTY unless a client requests some. I do not actually have shared scripts that you might expect. Open SSH configuration file, please. The command is invoked by using user's login shell with -c option. Where is -c? -c is cipher spec. What was -t? For pseudo terminal algorithm, this can be used to execute arbitrary scheme-based programs on remote machine. Example: when implementation menu services multiple -t option for TTY allocation, even if SSH has no local TTY. about to log in, I found frozen my login to Google. So here I can see that we can execute some script. On to Bandit 26. Okay, so I just created a file, right? So if I'm giving it any command such as echo shell, then that command is not working. Find out what is the shell being used, and then we need to see the commands and etc etc. Obviously, I can't cat this file. It is owned by 26. Seriously, I'm close on this then. Bandit 26 SH key, and what is this? Bandit 26 at localhost, and I'll run script.sh. Yes, maybe I need to specify the port. All the time I was not doing that. 0. I am connected on 0 then. On which port is this going to connect? Is any of these ports running SSH? 31046. I don't know what is this. Three 1 5 1 8. Three 1 6 9. Oops. 1790. 960. 33443. 41393. Why don't you 220 here? That is the port I'm connected. Must be a filtered port somewhere or open. No issues. I think we'll stop here today and we'll resume from this. We are close now. We are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 levels away. Alright, folks. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace. How can I